Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a pull-down menu in a dashboard here on Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a pull-down menu in Tableau dashboard is a straightforward process that offers several benefits, enhancing both the user experience and the effectiveness of the data visualization. Because pull-down menus allows users to easily navigate through different data subsets without overwhelming them with too many options at once. All right, so now I'm going to create a new sheet here, and then I'm gonna rename this one something like this. Maybe change it to the different color, like red, maybe like 20. Underline, apply, okay. And then I'm going to search for a sales, for example. Put it on the column, and then maybe type in on this side, maybe. After that, now once I have done the sheet 31, I'm going back to my dashboard and I'm gonna click on this one. All right, if that's the case, just wait for it to load. See that, and then just here you would be able to have an option to go to filters, go to salesperson or sum of sales, and you should be able to show it here. All right, so you see this is going to be the pull down menu. All right, from this one. Now you should be able to create a pull down menu in Tableau dashboard where you have created in the sheet 31, and of course paste it to the Tableau dashboard that you have created, because it will allow users to navigate easily through different data like this one without overwhelming them with too many options, because users are accustomed to drop-down menus in various software applications, making it an intuitive way to interact with your dashboard, right? It's a very straightforward process where you can quickly filter data to focus on specific segments, categories, making it easier to analyze and interpret the information presented. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.